Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to share a video on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Facebook app and let's go back. And now to share a video on your Facebook feed, and tap on the what's on your mind available over here on the top middle side of your screen. You can see just below your just aside your profile picture icon, tap on what's on your mind, and after that you can see the photo and video available over here. And let's go back, and photo and video option available over here at the top of the options. Tap on that. Now you will need to upload a video which you want to share. For me it will be this one. Let's share this one. And now you can see something about this. For me it will be the blank video. Now let's go back, and if you can choose whom to show the video and whom to not. If you don't want to show it to anybody, you can just tap on only me, and the video won't be shown to anybody. If you do it in public or tap it in public, it will be shown to everybody who view your profile on Facebook. And if you want to show your video just to your friends, tap on friends, and it's done. And if you want to add more, it's on your choice. Now to post it, let's tap on the post option over here, and you can see the upload has been initiated. Let's let the Facebook upload our video. Since it was a short video, it has been uploaded fast, but it will depend on your video size and your internet speed. And let's let the finishing process be finished, and let's refresh it. And you can see just now a blank video has been posted on my wall, and there is a sound over here. This is just a blank video like this. And there guys, this is how you post a video or share a video on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.